Show you here. See, this is your hood vent in your kitchen, and then we're going to mount the motor actually in the garage, so then it'll vent out in this front wall here. One thing about this specific type of hood vent is it has to have a fresh air return because it's over 600 CFM. This is not a standard thing that we do, but we can accommodate you for all of your custom home builds. So if you look up here, you'll see the little triangle in the floor joist there. So it actually has a chase built into the floor joist so that when we run the ductwork across, going over to the garage, you're not having to go through and cut all your joists or cut through plywood and all that stuff. It's already built in. That's one thing that we did with the truss manufacturer early on. But if you see here, we got it where it's marked where it's hood vents up the sidewall. That's where the fresh air return is going to be.